Hey guys, it's me, Daija, the owner and creator of Creative Chaos, a small business dedicated to showcasing creativity and unique expression. Hey guys, it's me, Daija. Thanks for coming back for another video on my channel, Creative Chaos, showcasing my creative business, doing my creative things for monetary gain. I appreciate you for being here. Today, I wanted to discuss why I started my small business and kind of like the root story, the origins, my origin story, if you will. Not Superman or anything like that, but I do believe that I am fighting for my life. So I started my small business. The beginning, the true beginning, came after I graduated college and after I had my son. And I just kind of felt bored immediately once school ended. I guess I wanted to rush back into just being fully booked and busy. And I said, what can I do to make that happen? And I decided I could start making jewelry. So this was back in 2019. Originally, my business was called Adorned by D. And I would do little pop-ups. I think I did like a total of maybe 3 or 4 pop-ups in the year 2019. I would frequent old folks' homes and sell my things to them. And at that time, I was just selling bracelets and necklaces. And my whole niche was that everything was one-on-one and that I even made some of the beads. So it was just very much an artistic endeavor. I wasn't able to continue as strong as I would have liked because life happened and I didn't have enough money to invest in supplies and invest in paying for the vendor events. Like I was struggling to just take care of my bills and my mental health at the time. So kind of put it all on the back burner, but I always try to keep a little bit of the creative spirit. Once the pandemic hit, I was painting and things like that just to occupy my time. I was trying to just keep it going, but not necessarily for monetary gain. Around the same time, the same era, I began to take crocheting more seriously, and I made my first wearables in 2019. I made like some bikinis and some purses, stuff like that. I was also selling that at my events as well. So that's like the precipice. That's the beginning of the business model that I have today. Everything is handmade by me. Everything is unique and one of one because I believe that we all are unique. There's no other us walking around. So I'm going to make you a hat that's just for you, baby girl. And I hope you like it. It costs $50. That's what's going on over here. So I started my business just to occupy myself, give myself more things to do because it can be very boring if you allow it to be. I'm not really a boring person. I like to have a lot of little things going on at once. I like to add a lot of things to my plate. So being a small business owner is right up my alley at this moment. I decided to reintroduce the idea of being a business owner in 2022. That's when I started my hobbyist brand and my YouTube channel. And things have been growing since then. It's been evolving over time. And that's why I really like the term small business because it takes away the pressure of having to do anything that's extra large. Having a small business, it makes you feel like it's like quaint and it's cozy and it's not overwhelming. It's whatever you want it to be. Whatever you put in, you will get out. And I like that aspect of it. It's really personal for me. Most times when I get people that order things from me, it's through like a DM or some type of chat, somebody I know in passing or from school. And it's nice. It feels really personal. And that's how I want to keep it. I don't want to automate anything. I don't want to go above and beyond. I like to do the in-person sales as well. As far as my dreams for my small business, really what I think will make it scale is making content and getting people that don't just know me involved and wanting what I have to offer. So I'm looking forward to that, but I am in no rush for it. I'm very content in the amount of attention that I get at this moment because I know that it's going to evolve over time because I'm staying consistent, because I keep showing up for myself, because I'm I'm all in. Definitely pacing myself, even with obtaining knowledge and trying new things, because I want to make sure that I am able to exert my energy in the most efficient ways for me. I am a mom. I have a full-time job. I have things that require my energy outside of creative chaos. And I want to make sure that I ease myself into it and transition into what it is that I want to be overall. I want to make sure that I'm not operating outside of my means. I want to be sure to take care of me, my mental health, and whatever business comes my way. I am a strong proponent of the fact if you get ready, what is it? I'm sorry, drawing a blank. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, is what the kids are saying, what the old folks are saying, what everyone's saying. And that's very much what I'm trying to do right now. I'm crocheting away. I'm making the things because I know that this inventory is going to be used in the future. I mean, I've proven it to myself. There's been many a times that I've taken jewelry that I made back in 2019 and made a quick little, something off of it in 2023, 2024. It's been paying off. Like, I really honestly just started getting really low on the jewelry that I made in 2019, and I had to make some more. But I already had the tools and the materials. I just had to put my oomph in it. I had to put my energy into it. And I think it's important for us to know that with anything in life, it's directly a reflection of the energy that you put into it. If you feel like things aren't working out in the way that you want them to be, or you don't feel like your business is scaling how you want it to be, how much energy are you putting into it? What is this energy like? Whatever you put into it is going to be your output. You put in garbage, you get out garbage. And that's why I'm taking my time and pacing myself and making sure I'm providing quality. I want to provide quality customer service, quality goods. I don't want to work with anyone that's hard to work with. It's all about my peace, really. I think the benefit of me starting this small business is that my life is not dependent on it. It's very much just an extension of my hobbies that I already do. And it helps me fund the hobbies. It helps me take care of things that I need to take care of. It's really beneficial, honestly. And even if I don't make that many sales, I don't see any reason to ever stop ever. I just believe that my business is going to continue to evolve. And when it's time for me to know something, it'll come to me, because I'm putting myself in position to receive whatever downloads I need to receive. I honestly think that about sums up why I started my business. It's boredom, financial reasons, wanting to have an outlet for my creativity, but also understanding that I can't keep everything that I make, because then I'll have a whole bunch of shit around my house. So I'm going to have to sell it to some people. And it makes me feel good when people see value in the things that I make with my hands, because my hands are very valuable to me, because I only have the one set of one set of hands. I also believe that it's important for you to practice self-care. And sometimes my self-care involves smoking a little pot. I'm not going to lie to you. It gets my creative juices flowing, and it's legal where I live. So you can just take that and do with it as you may. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, because I have more videos on the way about why, how, and when I started this business. And as things progress, I will have even more content about the business. So why stuff it all in this video, It's all about pacing yourself here at Creative Chaos, taking your time, letting things grow, because the seeds you plant today will not produce fruit tomorrow, sweetheart. And if it does, don't eat it. Don't eat that. It's not of God. Don't eat any of it, please. Anyway, it's been me, Daija, on Creative Chaos. I appreciate you guys listening, watching, partaking, participating, and all these things. I pray that you are abundantly I pray that you are abundantly blessed, and that you continue on your journey, whatever that journey entails. It's your business. I have nothing to do with it, okay? Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.